So a couple weeks ago I went ahead and I swapped out the Comcast equipment with these new pieces of equipment from TP-Link and NETGEAR. So, is it really faster? Well, I said it was, everything felt faster, but I never got any hard data, no hard values on if it actually was or not. So I finally got around to running the speed tests, and I have the results here. So first off, how did I get these values? I used this one website. It's called ookla.com, O-O-K-L-A. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it up on here. There you go. Looks like that. Just go down here. See, it says Windstream. I consistently went with White Sky Communications LLC. You just do that, you hit go, and it'll go ahead and it tests the download and upload speeds. So I already did this, and I have the results here. So essentially I tested it on my phone, the Wi-Fi speeds, which increased drastically from an average. As you can see, I do this 1, 2, 3 times, average it out. So from 48.6 up to 189. That's pretty darn good. On my gaming PC, I did it with Wi-Fi, I did it with Ethernet, and then with both of them plugged in. Now, those two weren't really too significant of a gain, but the Ethernet, it was really slow for some reason before. Maybe it was just a bad Ethernet cable. That's why it only gave like 85 megabits per second. That's now up all the way to 350 almost. Other than that, my laptop didn't see any really significant gains in these two columns, and the red just means that it actually decreased, it said, the speed when I used the Ethernet, the yellow Ethernet cable that came with the new router. So overall, I mean, one here, I mean, that could just be kind of a fluke, or maybe just the server wasn't optimal. It was getting clogged up when I tested it. There are explanations for it, but overall, the two things here where the gains were made, that's a pretty significant gain. So I strongly suggest you go ahead and swap out your Comcast gear with third-party stuff, because you don't have to pay that monthly fee and you could get a lot faster speeds. Now, something awesome is actually tomorrow night I get a new network card for that computer. It's going to be a Wi-Fi 6 card, not the Wi-Fi 5 that I have in there now. So I'm going to actually be redoing these speed tests between the two devices in another video that's coming up, probably tomorrow or the next day. So it's going to be interesting to see how much faster Wi-Fi 6 actually is, and take full advantage of that Wi-Fi 6 router. So once again, if you like the video, please just give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And I should mention, in the background, I had to actually run the speed test, so it was saying like 60. Now I'm only getting 20 megabits per second. So if this is so much faster, what's going on? Just make sure you turn your VPN off before you run the speed test. VPNs are going to bottleneck it no matter what. So there you go. It's a lot faster now. Just to prove that it is a lot faster than 60 megabits per second.